How to speak fluent English in 7 days. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Speak with Indu. How are you all guys? I hope you all are good and doing great and learning English great way. In this video, we all learn together how to speak English fluent in 7 days. There was a girl. She started listening English videos. She started listening simple phrases, simple sentences and started repeating again and again. And she started speaking from at first day. After few days, she started speaking. What do you learn? Listen simple English videos, English movies, English podcasts, English songs and repeat again and again. Try to copy pronunciation. Try to copy sentences. Try to copy the way they speak. Repeat after me. I am listening English videos, English simple sentences, daily uses sentences and I am repeating again and again. I am improving. For example, I am eating, I am learning English, I am bathing, I am brushing, I am going to school, I am learning English, I am improving. Stop translating. Start thinking directly in your mind. Think small sentences. There was a girl, she used to translate everything. That's why her speaking is slow. But there was a boy, he used to think directly in his mind and that's why he speak faster. He spoke fluently. So what do you learn? Try to think in your mind. Whatever you do, like when you brush, then think, I am brushing. When you woke up, you think, I am waking up early in the morning. When you do breakfast, you think, I am taking meal. I am going to school. Just small sentences think. Thinking improves speaking. If you think, then you speak fluently and confidently. So start thinking in your mind. Stop translating in your mind. What do you learn? Stop translating from your native language to English. Stop translating Hindi to English. Start thinking directly in English. Repeat with me. You repeat. I'm thinking. I'm improving. I'm speaking faster. Speak daily. There was a boy, he understood English. He watched many videos, but he never spoke. So he was not improved. He was afraid of making mistakes. He thought my English is weak. If I spoke, then others will laugh at me. Others will mock at me. Because of this thinking, he never tried to speak. He never speak. That's why he couldn't speak. So if you want to become fluent in English, if you want to speak, then try to speak every day. There was a girl, she started speaking. She speaks broken English, but she speaks regularly, even broken. Her English is not perfect, but she started speaking daily, even broken English, but she started. Others people used to laugh at her in the beginning, but she didn't stop. She continuously speaking, even broken English. And after some days, her English improved. Now she started speaking clearly, fluently. Still, she is making mistakes, but she became confident, and others people praises her, claps her. So what do you learn? Stop thinking what others people will say, others people will laugh at me or not. No, don't worry. Don't think about others people. Just speak regularly even you are making mistakes. But speak, no matter your English is perfect or not. You have to just speak simple sentences like I am speaking, I am confident, I am happy, I am sitting, I am standing, I am eating. Like this small sentences. Repeat after me. I am speaking every day. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. I don't care about others people. I just speak. I just focus on myself. I just focus on my speaking skills. Yes, very good. I hope you all speak regularly. I have trust on you. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. There was a boy who understood English but he never spoke. Because why? He afraid of making mistakes. He thought others people says when I make mistakes. But other girl, her name is Shreya, she didn't care about other people. She speaks regularly and she knew that making mistake is the part of learning new skills. If I didn't make mistakes, then I didn't able to improve. So make mistakes and improve from your mistakes. So don't be afraid of making mistakes because mistake is the part of learning. Even successful person make mistakes. Without making mistakes, they hasn't become successful. If you want to become successful, then you have to speak regularly. You have to make mistakes and you have to learn from your mistakes. So don't afraid of making mistakes. You are making mistakes means you are learning new things. So be confident and speak every day. So what do you learn from this story? Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Just speak regularly, even uh, even imperfect English. But you have to speak regularly. Are you speaking every day? Write in the comment section. I'm speaking every day. I don't afraid of making mistakes. I'm confident. I don't care about others. I don't care about others that they laugh at me or not. I just speak every day. Practice every day. Practice makes man perfect. There was a girl named Shreya. She sometimes speaks and she used to speak 1 hour at a week and she skipped many days. And there was a boy, his name is Aman. He used to practice in front of the mirror every day just for 5 to 6 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes every day in front of the mirror. You can also practice 2 to 3 minutes every day in front of the mirror, but speak every day. Don't skip single day because consistency is the key to success. If you practice 20 hours in a day and then you skip many days, then you can't able to speak. If you speak regularly at least for 15 to 20 minutes every day, then definitely you can speak fluently and confidently. So practice every day. Don't skip. Even if you are alone, then also you practice every day. Just with you can practice with wall, you can practice with in front of the mirror. Just to stand and speak confidently, just to speak like that you are speaking with other person. Okay, at first it felt strange, but after some times it becomes your habit, and after some times you becomes confident. And yes, when you practice every day you become confident because confidence builds because of practicing. So practice every day. What do you learn from this story? That you have to practice every day at least 2 to 3 minutes every day. Don't skip single day because when you skip, then you are not able to speak. So this is in your hand. If you want to speak in just 7 days, then you have to maintain consistency. You have to practice every day. Okay, so don't skip any single day. In yourself, don't compare with yourself to others, because everyone is different, everyone condition, everyone's atmosphere is different. So don't be compare to yourself with others, because everyone is different. So just practice every day, listen every day, English videos, English podcast, English movies, English songs, English simple videos. You can listen a story. It's totally depends on you. Just listen every day as you can, and start to repeat every sentences, start to speak in English every day. Because when you watch videos and you don't speak, then you are not able to speak, no, because English speaking is the skills, and you learned skills when you practice. If you want to speak, then you have to speak every day, then you become fluent speaker. Listen every day and speak every day. Don't skip single day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Make mistake as you can and improve from your, and then you listen again and again, and then you notice where you have made mistakes, and yes, correct yourself, improve from your mistakes. That's, you have to make mistakes, you have to improve from your mistakes, and then move ahead. Because everyone make mistakes, no one is perfect. Everyone make mistakes, and they learn from their mistakes and move ahead. So make mistakes and learn from your mistakes. That's it. And yes, try to speak simple English, because simple English is powerful English. And even native speakers used to speak simple English. So you have to just speak simple English. Then you definitely speak in just 7 days. Yes, after 7 days, still you are making mistakes, but after 7 days, you became confident and you started practice. Even you can start speaking from today itself. Small sentences like I'm speaking English, I'm improving, I'm learning from my mistakes. That simple sentences. So what do you learn? Listen simple videos, speak every day, don't be afraid of making mistakes, maintain your consistency, don't skip single day, and speak every day, even wrong English, but you have to speak. Yes, I'm also not speaking right, but I'm trying to speak. No, it's not necessary to you to become perfect English. It's necessary to speak every day. So just speak, even broken English, but you have to speak regularly, consistently. I have trust on you. So write in the comment section that you are speaking, you are listening every day, you are practicing every day. You can also practice with ChatGPT. Yes, if you are alone, then you start to talk with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not going to laugh at you, not going to mock at you. When you start speaking with ChatGPT, no, if you made mistakes, then ChatGPT going to correct you. Yes, with the ChatGPT also you can speak, you can listen, you can practice every day. ChatGPT is the good trainer. So guys, that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching video till the end. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment for more videos. If you have any ideas, if you have any suggestion, if you have any questions related to our channel, related to English, then write in the comment section, and I will definitely reply your all comments. And guys, thank you so much for watching video till the end. Till then, keep speaking, keep practicing, keep improving. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.